Hey everybody, so I have been out here clearing vines and other kind of sticks and stuff, trying to get it out of the way so that I can see what I'm working with. And the engine mounts appear to be in good shape, but I'd probably replace them anyway. Just say the heck with it and just go all new parts. But yeah, it's I would like to get started on this soon, but I'll be honest, I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched of video time in order for me to start getting paid. And I honestly don't have the money to start anything on that, but I would love to get this project started. Like put like a 302 or a 351 Cleveland in there, or I can just go big boy and put a 429 in it. Actually, I wouldn't do that as high as gas prices are. I wouldn't use it as a race car anyway. But I'm curious if there's a base to it. Oh, wait a minute. Nah, that's just a body right here, the frame. Now I'm hitting. There's nothing. Oh, now I'm finally hitting the floor. But yeah, seems like there's not a whole lot of nothing in here, so there'd be a whole lot of sheet metal and stuff going on. But I'd never restored a car before, but I would be glad to give it a whirl. This is going to take a lot of work, so, and I would want to do a straight shift, but knowing how my wife is, she'd want to drive it, and she would want me to put an automatic in here. So not gonna lie about that. I'll probably just put an automatic in here anyway, just make life easier and easy to drive. I've been out here cleaning out vines, just trying to get the stuff out of the way, but also trying to be careful, because trying to not get stabbed. I didn't feel like putting on gloves, but there's a lot of thorns out here, as you can see. Just trying to get to the bottom of the Mustang, the base of it, one step at a time, right? That's all it takes. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get as much as I can so that I can start getting the ball rolling. But I will be posting a new video soon, hopefully Monday, of me and the Evo. And today is Saturday, for those of you who want to know. But it's time consuming, I ain't gonna lie. Trying to make videos, it takes time, so you'd be surprised how long it takes to create a 5 to 8 minute video, and it takes a few hours. So it is by no means easy. And then when you have an old prehistoric computer, that just makes things harder. And that's my son in the background, the one that y'all heard in the video of the Evo riding with Danny. I love that boy. He's my only son. So guess I might as well go ahead and trim the whole thing down. But I'm really curious what it looks like. I seriously doubt there's some kind of serial number, like VIN number, anything of that nature on this car, so I can look it up, see what year it is. Everything's probably been scratched off. I'm not even gonna look in the door, because older cars, they didn't have stuff like that, like door stickers and stuff that I'm aware of. At least my Maverick didn't when I had it. So that trunk, that's gonna take a lot of work, and then have to bend this fender back in. Actually, probably just, I don't know. I'm gonna talk with like people that do body work and get ideas, start trying to do it myself. It'd be fun. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff in the mechanical world, but I have never restored a car. So that would be fun to do. And just not sure about this glass. I mean, the older vehicles, the good thing about them, the windshields and stuff, they're like solid, like real thick. So that's a plus side to it. If you can see right there, there's a corner of it. Not sure if the camera shot's getting it good, but there's a piece of the windshield. It is so thick. It's about, looks like almost a 1/4 inch thick. I mean, that's pretty thick for a windshield. I don't know what the standards are for the new windshields, but I know that the older ones were a lot more meatier than these newer ones. I was hoping for a wiper blade. Guess not. But hey, they're in good shape. Probably not really. The VIN number would probably be over there, but not gonna try to go over there. But I also have a box truck for sale. If anybody is into junk cars, want to restore them, stuff like that, just holler at me. Send me a message, email, something like that. But I have like an old, I think it's like a Dodge, like a late 40s Dodge. I don't know if I showed y'all that in the video. I mean, if anyone's interested, let me know. I'll show you the picture of the, or video of the Dodge. But it looked like an old milk truck, like a cargo truck or something like that. But it's really nice. Like, just looking at it is pretty amazing. So I don't know if anybody would be interested, like them rust restoration guys, anything like that. But hopefully I can get this puppy running. Not even sure what color I want to paint it, but that'd probably be the last thing to do, because you know, I'd have to get an engine, transmission, rear end, probably. Yeah, okay. Nothing, no drums, no nothing on that side. There's drums on the front, but I would probably convert it to discs, just because I just think that's better anyway. I might as well just go with disc on the rear too. Better stopping power. But yeah, the vines will stop growing. As you can see, they're just starting to come out like clockwork. So, but yeah, I'll try to keep y'all updated. Like I said, this is the second video I'm doing of the Mustang, aka Rustang. And hopefully next time, I mean, it's gonna be seldom me doing videos of this, cause just don't have the money right now. But hopefully one day I will. And I would definitely love to pick this Mustang out of here, just so I can see what it looks like on the underbelly, if it's even got one. So, just gonna leave it at that. I'll talk to y'all later.